Hey, I know you good-looking people. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. We got another video in store for you today. I'm going over another earnings breakdown. I want to answer the question that people have in their mind of, hey, what if I only have like an extra 10 hours to drive a week because I've already got a whole bunch of other stuff going on? Well, let me show you what you might be able to expect with only 10 hours of driving time per week to put into rideshare driving. All right, before we get started with that, big shout out to our 25,000 subscribers here on the Rideshare Hub channel. We appreciate each and every one of you guys, and now is your opportunity to subscribe to our channel. If you don't do so already, just click the subscribe button. You'll get updates to your smartphone and other devices anytime we come out with great new content for your viewing pleasure and knowledge gaining opportunities. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, hey, also before we get started, you guys, I want to give you an opportunity to make some extra money while you're out there driving. There's this great thing. It's called Play Octopus. If you go to the video description down below, scroll down there, look for it, Play Octopus, you got it. That's it. Click on it. It'll take you to the website. You can use our referral code Rideshare Hub and get signed up for that. What it is, they'll send you a tablet, and it's packed full of cool games that your passengers can play. It's interactive for them to discuss with, you know, if their friends are with them, or you guys can work on stuff together. Obviously, don't look at the screen while you're driving. That would be a terrible mistake. But they have an opportunity to win some prizes, and you can earn up to an extra $100 a month. Sweet. All right, check it out. Only stipulation is you have to give at least 100 rides a month. Other than that, you're good to go. Okay, hey, so let's get into this. You got an extra 10 hours that you're like, you know what? I've caught up on all my Game of Thrones. I caught up on all my other shows. I've watched Orange is the New Black, and I don't even know. I've watched all of Netflix, and now I don't like reading, so what should I do? I'm going to go make some extra money. I got 10 hours to burn a week. Let's check it out and see what it's all about. So here we go. So this week I gave 11, 13, 17, so 19 rides in just under 10 hours. So let's follow along. Let's start this thing off. 2 rides. Boy, that's actually some decent rides here. That always helps. A very nice long ride of 49 miles for a grand total of $40 plus a $10 tip. So that's like a $50 ride. So maybe that doesn't always happen, but my next one was only $3.40, so that kind of offsets. Okay, so short Monday there for me. And sometimes I have weeks like this. My weeks really fluctuate just because I have so many other things going on with teaching golf and acting and modeling opportunities that come up and auditions. I'm always running around. So I skipped Tuesday altogether. Let's check out Wednesday and see what the deal was there. Okay, so I started out a little earlier. Short ride for $3, and then $3.53 after that, and then a little better, right? $15.93, and then the final ride there for $13.89 plus a $2 tip. Now, these are all morning rides as well. So if your 10 hours that you have laying around that's extra, you can throw that in on the weekends, weeknights like Thursday, Friday nights, or Saturday night. You'll probably do very well. But, okay, let's see. We'll go into Thursday here. And just 2 rides, very basic, right? $3, $10. Did not spend very much time at all. Started at 7:25 p.m. and then finished at, so just over an hour and a half of driving. It's not very good, right? $13 for an hour and a half. That's far less than minimum wage. But the point here is the overall picture. All right, let's get into Friday, where I had 11 rides for $87. Scroll down here. All right, 8 a.m. started off with $12.50 ride, then a short one, and then a cancellation, and then a short one, and then a cancel and a cancel. What the heck? That's a lot of cancels. All right, so I did a lot of my heavy lifting driving today, meaning a lot of rides, kept the day going. $9, $4, stayed busy, $2, $3, $2. Those short rides just suck. They just, pain me to get those. 10:51 p.m. So, okay, so I took a... Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm just reading these all wrong. I'm thinking a.m. Okay, so let's go back here. Started at 8 a.m. I drove till... Wow. Only... like 10. So 2 hours in the morning. I had 2 rides. That's it. And then, because that's a cancellation. And then I started in the evening. Now, here you go. Here's what I'm talking about, right? If you go out on a Friday night, you can expect to do decent. Although, I had a bunch of short rides. So this wasn't even a very good Friday night for me. Not even people tipping. Bunch of short rides. 11 o'clock, a $2 tip. Another $2 tip. Finally, a decent mileage ride with $17.68. So, overall, $87. Not a great day, but again, this is about the overall week. Just 10 hours, what you might be able to expect. So, let's take a look at this. 19 rides, online time, 9 hours and 45 minutes, so just under 10 hours. Book time, so I wasn't even driving a full 10 hours. Probably close to 10 hours in my vehicle, though, for all that. And then, just make sure my screen recording's going here. Wait a second. Bear with me. It is. That's important, right? Got to keep that going. Okay. All right. So $202.54, 19 rides, 10 hours-ish of working. You can see the breakdown here. Prime time, a factor for sure. $23 there. $16 in tips, which is probably pretty average for... I bet you do better. Again, it really depends on what time of day you're driving. Those nighttime drives tend to do better with tips, especially towards the weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday night. A driver referral. Okay, well, that's... So let's take that off the top. So 192, because if I didn't have that, right, that'd be gone. So we'll say $192.54. And let's see if we got... Let's break out the calculator here, shall we? Do a little bit of... So that much driving, 10 hours, that would be approximately 1 tank of gas for me. I get about 35 miles to the gallon lifetime in my vehicle. So we're probably looking at, what do we say, 192. Let's subtract 30 just to be, it'd be more like 25, but we'll say 30 just to be on the conservative side. So 162, and we're going to divide that by, let's call it by 10, right? So $16.20-ish cents an hour just for 10 hours of driving. So you see, you can pick up some good extra cash just by coming up with an extra 10 hours of driving. Okay, you guys, I tell you what, get in the comment section below, because I have variable earning breakdowns that I can share with you, from very few rides a week to a lot of rides in a week. And let me know what would be most beneficial for you guys to see. Get in the comment section below. Let me know what you'd like to see. Be happy to share these with you guys. I'm not like the president. I'm transparent with my numbers. You know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. That's not a political crack. Yes, it is. It's not just the president. A lot of politicians. Anyway, I'm transparent. Happy to share this info with you guys. If this was helpful at all, appreciate a thumbs up. And I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. You guys are awesome. Thanks for being here. Until the next time, drive safe, everyone.